Today we are diving into the topic of 10 foods you should steer clear of if you're over 50 and aiming to maintain good health. It's a well-worn phrase, but it bears repeating. Food is indeed medicine. However, resisting the allure of delicious yet unhealthy foods can be quite challenging. As we age, making mindful dietary choices becomes crucial to ward off common age-related health issues such as high blood pressure and diabetes. Therefore, avoiding certain foods can significantly contribute to your overall well-being. In this discussion, we will highlight 10 foods that individuals over 50 should avoid to stay healthy and vibrant. Number 1. Soda. Soda is particularly harmful for those over 50 who are keen on staying healthy. It is packed with excessive sugar, which can lead to diabetes and other serious health issues. High sugar intake can cause insulin resistance, leading to type 2 diabetes. Moreover, the rapid spikes and drops in blood sugar levels associated with sugary drinks can contribute to mood swings and energy crashes. Additionally, soda contains phosphoric acid, which can deplete calcium from your bones, increasing the risk of osteoporosis and bone fractures. Regular soda consumption also elevates the risk of heart disease and stroke. The high fructose corn syrup found in many sodas has been linked to increased triglyceride levels and arterial plaque buildup, which are significant risk factors for cardiovascular diseases. The American Diabetes Association advises keeping sugar intake below 10% of your daily calories, which translates to about 50 grams for men and around 40 grams for women. If you consume 2,000 calories a day, no more than 200 calories should come from sugar. Yet many people easily exceed this limit without realizing it. Hidden sugars in processed foods and beverages can quickly add up, leading to unintended overconsumption. Furthermore, soda is not just loaded with sugar. It also contains artificial ingredients that can age your skin and dull your complexion. Chemicals like caramel coloring and artificial flavors can have adverse effects on your overall health. It is not hydrating and can actually contribute to dehydration. Caffeine and sugar in soda can act as diuretics, causing your body to lose more water through urine. For a healthier alternative, consider drinking water with a splash of lemon or lime. Lemon water is rich in vitamin C, which can boost your immune system and improve skin health. You can also create your own healthy soda by mixing real fruit juice with sparkling water. This way, you can enjoy a refreshing drink without the detrimental effects of regular soda. Herbal teas and coconut water are also excellent choices for hydration and can provide additional health benefits. By making these dietary changes, you can better manage your health and continue to feel young at heart as you age. Avoiding soda is a small but significant step towards maintaining a healthier lifestyle and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Remember, each small change contributes to your overall well-being and longevity. Number 2. Fast food. Fast food is generally unhealthy for everyone, but it poses particular risks for individuals over 50. As we age, our bodies undergo changes that necessitate different nutritional needs. Here are several compelling reasons to reduce your fast food consumption if you're over 50 and aiming to maintain your health. Firstly, fast food is notoriously high in calories. A typical meal from a fast food restaurant can easily exceed 1,000 calories. For older adults, managing caloric intake is crucial to prevent weight gain, which can exacerbate conditions such as diabetes, heart disease, and joint problems. Secondly, fast food is rich in saturated fats and cholesterol. These unhealthy fats can clog arteries, leading to atherosclerosis, which increases the risk of heart disease and stroke. As metabolism slows down with age, the body becomes less efficient at processing these fats, making it even more important to avoid them. Furthermore, fast food is often loaded with sodium. High sodium intake can elevate blood pressure, posing a significant risk for older adults who are already susceptible to hypertension. Maintaining healthy blood pressure is vital to prevent complications such as heart attacks and strokes. Fast food also lacks essential nutrients needed for good health, especially as you age. It typically contains minimal amounts of fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which are abundant in fresh fruits and vegetables. These nutrients are crucial for maintaining a healthy digestive system, supporting immune function, and combating oxidative stress. In summary, cutting back on fast food can help you manage your weight, reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases, maintain healthy blood pressure, and ensure you get the essential nutrients your body needs to stay healthy as you age. Opting for home-cooked meals with fresh ingredients can provide better nutritional value and contribute to your overall well-being. Number 3. Processed meats. Processed meats rank among the worst dietary choices for individuals over 50 who wish to maintain good health. These include products like sausages, hot dogs, and deli meats, which are typically high in saturated fats and sodium. Saturated fats contribute to cholesterol buildup in the arteries, heightening the risk of heart disease and stroke. High sodium levels, on the other hand, can lead to increased blood pressure, which is particularly dangerous for older adults already prone to hypertension. Moreover, processed meats contain nitrates and nitrites, preservatives used to extend shelf life and enhance color. These compounds have been linked to an increased risk of various cancers, including colorectal cancer. Regular consumption of these meats can significantly elevate your cancer risk due to these harmful additives. For those seeking healthier protein sources without the negative health impacts of processed meats, consider replacing them with lean cuts of fresh meat such as chicken breasts, turkey, or fish. These options provide high-quality protein with significantly lower levels of unhealthy fats and sodium. Incorporating plant-based proteins like beans, lentils, and tofu can also be beneficial, as they are rich in fiber and essential nutrients. Additionally, processed meats often contain added sugars, which can further increase the risk of heart disease and diabetes. Consuming foods high in sugar can lead to weight gain and insulin resistance, complicating the management of blood glucose levels in older adults. While processed meats may offer convenience, the long-term health risks they pose far outweigh the short-term benefits. Opting for fresh, unprocessed alternatives and enhancing your diet with plenty of vegetables, fruits, and whole grains can provide the necessary nutrients for maintaining health and vitality as you age. These choices help support cardiovascular health, reduce cancer risk, and promote overall well-being, making them essential components of a balanced diet for anyone over 50. Number 4. White bread and pasta. White bread and pasta have long been staples of the American diet, celebrated for their versatility. Pasta features prominently in Italian cuisine, while white bread serves as the foundation for sandwiches, toast, croutons, French toast, garlic bread, and countless other dishes. However, as we age, it's important to recognize that these foods might be detrimental to our health. White bread and pasta rank high on the glycemic index, meaning they cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, followed by quick drops. This can lead to feelings of hunger soon after consumption, which can contribute to overeating and weight gain. The cycle of blood sugar spikes and crashes can also strain your pancreas, increasing the risk of insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes over time. Moreover, regular consumption of white bread has been linked to elevated cholesterol levels. Refined grains lack the fiber found in whole grains, which helps manage cholesterol levels and supports heart health. Eating foods high in refined grains can contribute to a buildup of bad cholesterol, LDL, in the bloodstream, heightening the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Whole grains, such as brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread, are far better alternatives. These foods are lower on the glycemic index, resulting in more stable blood sugar levels and prolonged satiety. They also provide essential nutrients like fiber, vitamins, and minerals that are stripped away during the refining process. Fiber, in particular, aids in digestion, helps control blood sugar levels, and lowers cholesterol. Incorporating whole grains into your diet can reduce the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and other age-related health issues. These grains are rich in antioxidants and phytonutrients, which help fight inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which are linked to aging and chronic diseases. Additionally, whole grains can enhance digestive health. The fiber in whole grains promotes regular bowel movements and prevents constipation, a common issue as we age. It also supports a healthy gut microbiome, which is crucial for overall health and immunity. In summary, replacing white bread and pasta with whole grain alternatives is a simple yet effective way to improve your diet and health as you age. By doing so, you can maintain better blood sugar control, lower your cholesterol levels, and enjoy the numerous health benefits associated with whole grains. Number 5. Dairy products with added sugar. Dairy products are an excellent source of calcium and protein, two nutrients that are crucial for maintaining bone health. However, many dairy products also contain added sugars, which can be particularly harmful for individuals over 50. These added sugars can contribute to a range of health issues, including weight gain, insulin resistance, and increased risk of heart disease. To avoid the negative health impacts of added sugars in dairy products, it is essential to read ingredient labels carefully. Look out for any form of added sugar such as corn syrup, evaporated cane juice, or any other sweeteners listed on the label. Instead, opt for unsweetened alternatives like almond milk, which is both light and creamy but free from added sugars. Additionally, you can obtain calcium from other sources such as dark leafy greens like spinach and kale. These vegetables are rich in calcium and also provide other essential nutrients such as fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants that support overall health. By choosing these alternatives, you can maintain strong bones without the adverse effects associated with added sugars and dairy products. Number 6. Grain-fed red meats. We've all heard that red meat can be detrimental to our health, but it's important to understand that not all red meat is created equal. There is a significant difference between grain-fed and grass-fed red meat. Grain-fed red meat is often associated with higher health risks compared to grass-fed varieties. This is because grain-fed cows are frequently given antibiotics and hormones to promote growth and prevent disease, which can lead to the presence of bacteria and carcinogens in the meat. These substances can increase the risk of developing cancer and other health issues. Grass-fed beef, on the other hand, comes from cows that consume a natural diet rich in grass. This type of beef contains less saturated fat and cholesterol than its grain-fed counterpart. Moreover, grass-fed beef is higher in essential nutrients like vitamins A and E, as well as other antioxidants that support overall health. These nutrients can help reduce inflammation and improve heart health, making grass-fed beef a healthier option. Incorporating grass-fed red meat into your diet allows you to enjoy the benefits of red meat without the heightened risks associated with grain-fed varieties. This choice supports better heart health and provides a richer nutrient profile, ensuring you get the most from your dietary protein sources. By making informed choices about the types of dairy and meat you consume, you can significantly improve your health outcomes as you age, maintaining strong bones and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Number 7. Low-fat or fat-free processed foods. Low-fat or fat-free processed foods are currently very popular, but they might not be as beneficial for your health as you think. Here's why. These foods often contain higher amounts of sugar than their full-fat counterparts to compensate for the reduced fat, making them significant contributors to chronic diseases such as obesity and diabetes. Additionally, because they are made from refined flours and sugars, they lack essential nutrients like protein and fiber, resulting in a high intake of empty calories. Another issue with low-fat or fat-free foods is the nutrient loss that occurs when fat is removed. For instance, when you strip the fat from foods like cheese or chocolate, you also lose important nutrients. Cheese, in particular, is a rich source of vitamin B12, calcium, and potassium, all of which are crucial for maintaining health as you age. These nutrients support bone health, nerve function, and overall metabolic processes. Number 8. Fried foods. Fried foods, while undeniably tasty, pose significant health risks. The primary concern is their high content of fat and salt, and in some cases, trans fats. This combination is detrimental to health, increasing the risk of heart disease, hypertension, and other chronic conditions. Additionally, fried foods are calorie-dense, which can contribute to weight gain and obesity. However, there are healthier ways to enjoy your favorite fried foods without the adverse effects. Baking or using an air fryer can significantly reduce the amount of oil needed, thus lowering the fat content. These methods can help you enjoy crispy, flavorful foods without compromising your health. Number 9. Refined grains. Refined grains are another food category to limit or avoid if you're over 50 and striving for good health. These grains are processed into flour and used in products like bread, pasta, breakfast cereals, and other baked goods. During processing, refined grains are stripped of their fiber-rich bran and nutrient-dense germ, leaving behind the starchy endosperm. This results in a product that offers minimal nutritional value while contributing high amounts of carbohydrates and sugars to your diet. The lack of fiber in refined grains means they are quickly digested and absorbed, causing rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. Over time, this can lead to insulin resistance and an increased risk of type 2 diabetes. Moreover, the absence of essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants further diminishes the health benefits of these foods. Opting for whole grains such as quinoa, barley, and whole wheat products can provide better nutritional value. These grains retain their bran and germ, offering fiber, protein, and a range of vital nutrients that support overall health. Incorporating whole grains into your diet can help stabilize blood sugar levels, improve digestive health, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Number 10. Excess sodium. Sodium is an essential mineral that our bodies require in small amounts for various functions, including maintaining fluid balance and proper nerve function. However, excessive sodium intake can have detrimental effects on your health, particularly as you age. Too much sodium can elevate blood pressure, increasing the risk of heart disease and stroke. The Institute of Medicine recommends that adults should consume no more than 2,300 milligrams of sodium per day. Despite this guideline, most Americans consume between 3,400 to 4,700 milligrams daily, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC. This overconsumption often comes from processed foods like canned soups and vegetables, fast foods, and restaurant meals. Sodium is also prevalent in cheese sauces found in frozen dinners and various condiments. High sodium intake can lead to hypertension, which is particularly dangerous for older adults. Hypertension is often called the silent killer because it can cause significant damage to the cardiovascular system without obvious symptoms. Reducing sodium intake is crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels and reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. To manage your sodium intake, it's important to read food labels carefully and opt for low sodium or sodium-free versions of processed foods. Cooking at home allows you to control the amount of salt added to your meals. Additionally, flavoring your food with herbs, spices, and other salt-free seasonings can help reduce sodium consumption without sacrificing taste. We hope this list of foods to avoid after 50 has provided you with valuable insights on how to improve your diet and overall health. By making informed dietary choices, you can enhance your well-being and enjoy a healthier, more vibrant life. For more tips on healthy eating, especially if you're over 50, check out our next video on foods that are beneficial for maintaining vitality and health as you age. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video if you found it helpful. See you in the next video.